Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread for the current week in my catch-all, which is the classic size dashboard layout happy planner. I'm going to be using my word of the year, which is trust, and intricate blooms. So these florals are available in my shop. You can get them 30% off using the code YouTube30. And I am working on some new releases for Friday, February 2nd. So make sure you're signed up for emails over on my website at 𝗑𝗙𝗙𝗜𝗟𝗡 for some sneak peeks and special coupon codes. I'm thinking about doing a nice coupon code for everybody for this release. So keep an eye out for that. I just thought about something. I don't want to do what I was just getting ready to do. I'm going to start up here in my top corner. Like I normally do, I always say, just decorate corners if you don't know how to do anything else. Sometimes decorative planning can get a little overwhelming when you first start. And so I find it easier to just decorate corners and then kind of go from there. So start on your corners. That's my always my little tip that I give people. Even if you don't decorate anything else, if you just decorate corners, you still have a pretty planner spread. So I think I'm going to use these little pieces here to kind of continue so I'm not wasting stickers, because stickers cost money and we don't like wasting money. Also, if you are more of a DIY person or a print from home person, I do have printable stickers. So all of my new releases now come with printable versions. So you can print them at home, you can adjust the sizes, play around, and of course print them as many times as you'd like. So that is available. Let's see, I need to find a quote. Let me find a quote real quick. I think I'm going to use life quotes, and it may not be easy, but it'll be worth it. So I'm going to take this floral and put it down here at the bottom. I'm actually going to kind of come off the edge, I think. And I'm going to grab my single hole punch, which is the We Are Memory Keepers crocodile punch. I got mine at Michael's. And just go ahead and punch this before I forget. I think my punch is kind of sticky from cutting stickers, like punching through stickers all these years. So sometimes it leaves little pieces, but it's okay. All right. So now I'm going to take my quote. I'm just going to kind of lay right over top of those florals. So like right here. So pretty. All right, now do I want to use headers? I don't think I'm going to use any headers. And I don't think I'm really going to use any boxes over here. I guess I probably should use one or two. I'll think about boxes once I get my florals down on this side. So let's go ahead. And I think what I'm going to do is put more florals here to kind of make the florals. I shouldn't have cut that off. I should have let it go over onto the other page. But it's okay. Hindsight's 20/20, right? So let's just take this one. And then we'll cut this. I'm going to have to hole punch that again too. I want a little bit more over here. So I'm going to grab my small sheet and just use this sticker here to kind of continue down at the bottom. And then I'll use the piece that I cut off somewhere else. Okay, that's pretty. And then I'm going to go up here at the top and decorate. I think I'm going to use this big floral here. I'm going to cut off this excess so I can use this sticker somewhere else, or the rest of this sticker somewhere else. Like that. I've had a couple of you guys comment on my last video about the issues with Cricut. So I'm glad that you guys feel my pain. In hindsight, I kind of wish that I had started with a silhouette. I don't think that the silhouette as a company, as a whole, I don't think that they have really any of the issues that Cricut has. So I'm glad that you guys can feel my pain, and you know that it's not just me making up stuff about having Cricut issues. It's extremely frustrating because, you know, this is how I feed my family. I need Cricut Design Space to work properly so that I can feed my family. So it's very frustrating whenever I have, especially the National Sticker Day orders. I had like 50 orders and I could not even process those orders in a timely manner because Design Space wasn't working properly. So I'm sorry that all of us are having to deal with it, but I am so glad that I'm not alone. And you guys know that when I say I'm having issues with Cricut, I am really having issues with Cricut. So yeah, I really wish that Cricut would get it together and stop updating and just leave well enough alone. I mean, I understand that they're trying to probably keep up with all the features in Silhouette, and they're probably trying to just make the program better for everybody, but it's not working. It's not working. Sometimes, you know, what's the old adage? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. They need to just leave it alone. All right, I'm going to take this floral and kind of cut it at an angle. I like to decorate off the sides of my boxes. Just adds a little bit more prettiness to the spread. Like that. See how cute that is? And then I feel like I need a couple more boxes over here. So I'm thinking I might just take, I only have the blue and the brown. So I think I'm going to take the brown and put it like down here. Actually, I'm going to take it up just a tad. And then I'm going to use the blue color to kind of, just so that I have these colors over on this side of the page. And then I think I'm going to take a little piece of a floral. I have this little piece left. And we'll just kind of stick it like right there. So at least I have boxes on this side as well, because I mean, I kind of want to balance things out. I could put one of these over here. Just trying to figure out where. I don't really want to cover anything up. Like I want my headers to stay the same. I mean, I could put this down here just so that I have all three colors on this page. Yeah, that's pretty cute. I like that. All right, so let's put my word of the year in here. And I think I'm going to use, which size do I want to use? I think we'll use this size. And I think I'm just going to put it right here. It's so pretty whenever you layer your quotes over top of florals. I just think that's so cute. All right, and then I have a little bit of washi. So I have this really skinny washi that I think would be cute to use in a couple places on the spread. And then I kind of want to put a little bit in the boxes. So let's just put some in my boxes first. I just like putting washi in the boxes. It just adds a little extra cuteness to the boxes. I'm not going to put a whole lot everywhere. Just going to put a little bit here and there. See how that just adds just a little bit of extra something? Because my quotes are black, so I need some black on my page. All right, so that's super cute. And then I think I might just take a little bit of this, if I can get my hand on it, and put it right here. It's curled. This skinny washi is hard for my big fingers to work with. They get in the way. And then we'll just take that and put that there. Yeah, so it added just a little cute touch. I like it. I almost kind of want to put a little bit up here. Love it. Okay. Now I feel like I want to put a little bit down here. Yep, it's cute. Very, very cute. Okay. All right, I'm going to go a little crazy with the washi. I said I wasn't going to, but let's just see what it looks like, because I'm kind of liking the way it looks. Oh. So I'm going to put a little bit up here. Yep, I like it. I'm glad I kind of went a little bit crazy. Crazier than I anticipated. Look how cute it is, y'all. This is so pretty. Okay, so what I'll do off camera is I'll go through and like smooth down all of my clear stickers with my tweezers. They're kind of falling apart. This is my second pair. But I'll smooth all of this down so that you can't really tell they're stickers, and it's so pretty. I can't wait to write in it. So let's put it back in my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. When I put this back in my planner, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little sneaky peeky of the stickers, the new florals that are coming Friday, February 2nd. So give this video a thumbs up. Oops, look at there. I forgot to punch these. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel and you want to see more content like this. Follow me over on Instagram. I'm not very active over there much anymore. YouTube is my main platform. You know, this is my business, and like I said, how I feed my family. So I kind of have to stick with the platform that helps with my income, and so YouTube is that platform for me. So let's see. What else did I miss? Thumbs up, subscribe, Instagram, TikTok. All right, so this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. I love it. Now let's look at the sneak peek. So I haven't cut these yet, so these are just on the sticker paper. So we have Violet Bliss. These are like a really pretty lavender and green. They're kind of outlined florals. I have these already, but I'm working on the boxes and the kits right now. Rainy Days. These are so pretty. The colors are so vibrant. Very, very pretty. So all of my stickers come in large, small, and mini. And then we have Feathered Friends. Again, more pretty, vibrant colors. Love them. And then we have Radiant Petals. So, again, such pretty colors. I love the colors. So, that's your little sneak peek of what's coming on Friday. Make sure you're signed up for emails over on my website, thepleasantlyplanned.com, so that you'll get a special coupon code that's probably going to be more than the 30% off. That is the YouTube 30 code. So, just saying. All right, so that's it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.